which is simple, but this is actually a huge mindset shift in manufacturing and industrial places for the most part, where it's not intuitive for a lot of people that you actually publish data.
That's definitely true. I mean, in the OT level, event-driven things are maybe not so common. And to be honest, that is something what we all the time experience with our SCADA platforms, because our users started to do or program our SCADA programs in a similar way.
I think that's the shift, and kind of relate to that because it's quite simple in terms of actually it's a way we interact. We ask a question and we expect to receive a response.
Not all the time. Sometimes we have to ask again. I have to ask my child all the time.
But I want to ask one more thing here too, because that'll inform my answer.
Busy judging questions.
But we've talked about MQTT, and we've got 3 different companies here who make MQTT brokers, and that's the company. That's the main product. That's the core of what you do.
Just
open source. Open source.
Company.
No, open source. Sorry. Yep.
One-man company.
Yes. So Andreas says open source with MonsterMQ. We got HiveMQ and we got Coreflux, and all 3 of those are MQTT brokers, but none of them are only MQTT brokers. And Andreas, you said it a little bit earlier, MQTT Plus. And all 3 of these brokers are MQTT Plus, but in different ways.
Exactly.